more that you think that you are pangit, the more that girls will think that you are pangit. If you wanna know all about it, here we go. The thing is, boys, alam nyo naman, I will repeat and repeat and repeat it. The more that you always say na mahina ako, hindi ko kaya, paano pag nireject niya ako, is the more the thing that you just, it just so happens. Huwag kasi kayo masyadong mag-expect na lahat ng babaeng nila lalapitan nyo is sasagutin kayo. Pero pag takot at takot kayo mag-try, wala rin mangyayari sa life nyo. Trust me. Yung mga babae, hindi yan nangangagat. Hindi yan nangangagat. The more na takot ka, the more na iniiwasan mo yung mga babae, the more na, you can just dream. Okay, you can just dream. Walang mangyayari sa'yo. Hanggang dream ka lang. Is it good? No, because it all comes down to your confidence, boys. Bakit ganun yung nararamdaman nyo? Bakit lagi kayong tinitingnan? Bakit tinadaga kayo lagi kapag may crush kayo? It's just a date. If you really want to ask her on a date, just ask. Be friends first. Don't be creepy. Okay? Just have some social manners. Ano nga ba yung social manners? Kapag kausap mo siya, tumingin ka sa mata niya, stand straight, wag yung nakayuko ka, nasa phone ka, alisin mo lahat ng distractions. Ask her out on a date. Or mas maganda is pakilala mo muna yung sarili mo. Establish like a bit of a relationship first with her. Stop with the ang pangit ko, wala akong pera, ang pangit ng katawan ko, ganyan. Stop it. Like really, really boys, stop it. It's so annoying. It doesn't make you more guapo. You know what makes you guapo? What makes the boys guapo in the eyes of girls? When you work on those stuff. If we see that this boy, like, yeah, he's broke, wala siyang pera, but I see him hustling every day, finding ways to make money, talagang napaka hands-on ang sipag. Trust me, boys, walang masasabi sa inyo. Promise. Yung sipag nakikita, yung effort sa sarili nakikita. Hindi kayo pogi, pero talaga nag-gym kayo, tapos nagpuput kayo ng effort sa pananamit, yung mga pabango nyo, nag-compliment sa katawan nyo, naglalas, ang bango nyo, tapos nag-i-skincare kayo, nagsa-sunscreen kayo, yung haircut nyo, bagay sa mukha nyo. Grabe, literal na nagiging invisible yung flaws, boys. Maniwala kayo sa akin. So please, boys, stop with the complaints and just do it. I will not guarantee in those 10 girls, lahat mag-yes, okay? Yan ang reality. But, if you stop complaining, start actions, most probably, meron dyang lalabas na mag-yes sa inyo. And just have a good time. Relax. It's part of a life experience. And chill. You can do this. You got this, okay? Mwah.